Hello traders! We receive a lot of questions from beginner traders, but maybe the most common one is, what do I actually need to start trading? There are two parts to the answer. First of all, you will need a financial and technical background. How much money do you really need to start trading? Well, here at True Forex Funds, our packages start at 89 euros, where you can trade with $10,000, but for 998 euros, you can trade up to $200,000. It depends on you and your decision. Sounds great, right? You need to have a smartphone or a computer. And of course, you need a great internet connection to always have perfect access to your trades. After all, you can choose a platform for trading. At True Forex Funds, you can choose between MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader is coming soon. It's your choice which one you prefer. And most importantly, you need a proper mindset, trading strategy, financial knowledge, and patience. You may need time to learn, but don't rush. It's better to start trading with a clear understanding of the market. You can choose different books, watch videos on YouTube, or visit our blog page to get more and deeper information about trading. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and leave your feedback in the comments below. For more success stories that can help you become a better trader, click here. If you're interested in our educational content, click here. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any new videos, don't forget to subscribe here. See you in our next video.